everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Well, just wanted to let you guys know I am feeling so much better. I actually went shopping with my sister today at Tuesday morning. Had a great time. My voice may sound just a little bit hoarse, but I am truly feeling well. So I wanted to share with you guys a project kit that I put together for a sweet 8-year-old little girl. Her mom reached out to me and left me a message and told me that her daughter really loves watching me craft and that she is inspired to try some of my projects. So I'm a big believer in nurturing creativity in children whenever it's identified. And knowing that this little one really likes watching me craft, I decided I would make something for her. So I reached out to her mom and asked her mom to tell me a few things about her daughter. And she shared some really lovely things with me. And my takeaway from the conversation was that this is a mother who is completely in love with her daughter. And as the mother of 2 girls, I can completely understand that. She did share with me that her daughter loves butterflies, mermaids, unicorns, animals, and flowers. So I tried to make something that was reflective of what she would like. So I'm going to share with you guys what I made, and I hope that you enjoy it. So what I did was I tried to make something that would really play into the creativity aspect and really encourage her to get in touch with her artistic side, whether it's paper crafting, painting, drawing, whatever. So I put together a craft kit for her, and the first thing that I made was this really cute little butterfly box. So what I did was I tried to make sure that the items that I made for her fell in line with the theme of butterflies, unicorns, and mermaids. So this little box here is designed to hold her coloring items. So what I found were these really cute, and I've never seen these before, but they're Crayola twistables. And basically, I guess it's a crayon in a plastic tube, and you just screw it out, and that's how you get the crayon to advance. They didn't have these back in the day when I was using crayons, but I'm pretty sure that she will enjoy these. So this is what this looks like. And I filled the box, reinforced the box with chipboard on the top as well so that it's very sturdy and she can carry it with her wherever she's going. And then the next thing that I made for her is the unicorn item. And I made a drawing book. And I made sure to put a lot of pages in it. So this actually has 100 sheets of paper in it. But because it's front and back, she's got 200 sheets to be able to draw, doodle, journal, whatever it is that she wants to do. So when you open it up, I used one of the cut aparts, and it says being kind is so cool. And I thought this was just a great way to kick off this little book. So as you can see, there are a lot of pages in here, and she has a lot of cut aparts that I'm sending to her, and she can make those stickers and she can post them on these pages. She can use this as a diary because, you know, all little girls at times like to write down their thoughts. She can draw pictures. She can mix this as a diary, journal, sketchbook, however she wants to use it, but it is fully functional for her to be able to just get in touch with her creative side. So I'll move this over to the side. And then the last thing that I made for her is really the meat of what I'm sending her. And it's this portfolio, which is a kit that has craft items in it. And it'll make it easier for her to actually try some of the projects that I do, as well as create her own projects. So I'll open it up and show you how it works. So it has a magnetic closure here. And when you open the first section, in the kit that I used mermaid paper for this. And in the kit that I used, I got it from Hobby Lobby, there were these mermaid bodies. And so I decided I would glue it to the bottom of the book and use that as a pocket to catch all of the goodies that I was putting inside on this side. So I decided I would use this side to hold some 6x6 cut aparts and 6x6 pieces of paper, as well as some bling and embellishments and stickers, just so that whatever she crafts, she's got a lot of different ways that she can decorate and bling out whatever it is she's making. So I'm going to slide this over and then open this flap, and in the center section here I have another folder section, and this one says Mermaid at Heart. And when you open it up, this is where she goes to for her crafting items. So I have a mini scoreboard, some tape, a mini tape runner, and then I filled one of my plastic bottles with my favorite glue, which is reptile glue, and included that in this kit. So she is ready to start crafting from the moment she gets this kit. The only thing I didn't include was a pair of scissors, because I think that that is important, that she and her mom decide on the best types of scissors for her to be working with at her age. And on this side of the page, I included some alphabet stickers so that she can, use those in her card making and her crafting. And it's just a fun way for her to decorate and fix up whatever project she's making. And then when we slide over to this section, I wanted this section really just to house the papers that she'll use in her crafting. So what I did here was I made a pocket, and I filled the pocket with a pack of stickers that wouldn't fit on the other side. And these are butterfly stickers, so she can have a lot of fun with those. And then I tucked in a whole bunch of pre-cut A2 size card papers. So all she has to do is fold these, decorate them however, and then she's got cards to give to mom, family, and friends. And then I included a whole bunch of 8x8 pieces of white paper so that she can just craft to her heart's content. So I hope that with this kit, this will be the start of her having a great time crafting and creating and just having fun with mom. So I thought I'd share that with you guys. I'm about to drop it in the mail, and because I am sharing it now, that means that she has received it, and hopefully she's having fun with it. But if you guys have little people in your lives who love crafting, or who are expressing an interest in crafting, there's a great way that we can help to just push them along and nurture that. And hopefully a kit like this will inspire some of you to make kits like this for those little people in your lives, or nieces and nephews that you might have. Just change out the papers in here, and you can make this very easily for a little boy. Hope you guys have enjoyed this. Hope you found it inspiring. Y'all have a great day. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.